straight line winds potentially, especially
track the whole distance. But if I track
WNDU, channel 16.
The heaviest part of the storm off to the east at about 40 miles per hour, that puts it into Rolling Prairie right now. Wills in 7 minutes, New Carlisle in 11, Ziegler in 17, Leidick in 21, and 26 minutes to the South Bend Regional Airport. So if this storm holds
WNDU 16.
we're talking about it moving into the South Bend area at some point. Now, I am less impressed with the shape of this storm than I was when I came on with the tornado warning. So I'm hopeful.
Three Oaks, Michigan. 3 Oaks.
And I'm hopeful
Niles, now Niles, Michigan's right now. Around here's where Niles, Michigan would be at. Around here would be, yeah, Niles, Michigan would be this area, I think. Niles, Cass County, Michigan's over here. So yeah, this warning. So what you're seeing, there's a tornado watch for our county yet? Not yet.
And from there eastward, it's a severe thunderstorm warning for large hail and damaging wind potential.
We're going to go to WNBT. We're going to go to WSBT 22.
Stay on the air for a tornado warning the whole time, whereas the severe thunderstorm warning we will tell you from time to time.
radar indicated. I have no confirmation that we have a tornado on the ground. That doesn't mean there isn't one on the ground. It's just one has not been detected by a trained storm spotter. However, a trained rotating wall cloud near Westville, and oftentimes rotating wall clouds are a precursor to a developing tornado. So that
Over channel 16.
Brand new information there shows it right over Laporte. The main part of the
tornado is actually in Laporte County right now. Okay.
In Monroe, Maine, are at 3 minutes. Wills in 14, Crumpstown 25, and Leidick in
I'm going to throw the radio on in a bit.
as it continues to track off to the east at about 40 miles per hour. In looking at the rotation in this storm, there's still pretty.
We'll keep this on. We're keeping this on until further notice.
I think the shape of the storm looks less impressive to me than it did earlier, but these storms go through evolutions where they will intensify and then they weaken and then they intensify again, and so the rotation might start strong. And
You can hear audio, so if you hear audio, it's good enough.
To track off the east. And continue with the storm system, though. I continue to see. I'm going to show it. Take the motion away from it. If you're just joining us, what we'll watch, number one, is that purple area there. That's the potential for large hail.
In northwest Ohio. For this afternoon and tonight, thunderstorms will be typically and now the extended outlook for the 3 Tuesday through Sunday. There is a risk of severe thunderstorms Tuesday afternoon.
Only government and ourselves can get into information, and
I have some audio trouble right now from Angola.
And there is no confirmation of a tornado so far. Okay, they just extended it. The tornado warning.
Tornado warning has been extended.
East. And so that will take it into western portions of St. Joe County here in Indiana. It's still radar indicated, and what that means is they still have no confirmation of any tornado